Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is gonna be just me glamming up. If you like any of my content, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so I know you're watching this video. So let's start with the video. So I just put my hair behind my ears. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit of Beauty Filter cream by a Korean company that I use in my foundation routine. I'm just gonna take dollops on my face. By the way, I already washed my face, and this is me priming my face, so let's blend. After blending the cream, I'm gonna use this Nars Foundation. It's in the shade Mont Blanc. So I'm just gonna use maybe a bump on each side. That's 2 pumps, okay, that's too much. And a bump here. And a bump here. I'm just gonna blend that first, and then if I need more, then I will add gradually. This is my Glam beauty sponge. So now I'm gonna use this Too Faced concealer in the shade Snow. So I'm aware that this is so bright for my actual face, but it's gonna take a little bit and then apply it evenly under my eye, the places that I want to highlight. Gonna take a little bit of pound cake. I'm just gonna put it underneath my eyes. I don't bake, I just set the places under eyes tend to become dry, so I have a dry face overall, kind of combination, so I don't bake. I just maybe put a little bit on my smile lines and a little bit on my nose, and that's it. I'm gonna take my Glam beauty sponge, pack a little bit of powder, and then set my under eyes. After setting my under eyes, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and use from the same powder and just dab all over my face just slightly so I can set all over my face. doing my base, I'm gonna move on to the eyes, and I think I'm just gonna do a cut crease. So I'm just gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's kind of dirty, so you know which palette is the first palette. Just gonna go safe. Maybe go with this color here. See how that turns out. I'm just gonna blend it in the inner corner kind of crease of my eye. So I'm just gonna try and not make mistakes. I skipped something. Before going to the eyes, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So this I'm gonna do off camera because it's long and everyone has its way to do eyebrows. So now that I have bushy and beautiful eyebrows, I'm just gonna move on to the eyes. I took this color, I don't know what it's called, but I took that color and I put it in my inner crease, and I think I'm gonna drag it to the crease. So I have like that transition between this color and the other color that I don't know which one I'm gonna use. Using that same shade, tap the excess, and then I'm gonna blend it in my crease, like further in. So because I have hooded eyes, I don't have like enough space on my lid. I should create a fake crease, so I'm just gonna try and use the brush where I want to cut the crease exactly. You see, that is where I'm gonna put my crease. I think that's enough, so I'm just gonna do the other eye, of course. I always do both on the same time so I don't forget the steps. Now with a packing brush, I'm just gonna pack this color, I don't know, to my outer, like kind of the middle to the outer part of my eye. We'll see how that goes. Put it like approximately what I want my crease to be, and just try and blend it out. And I'm gonna create the winged look, and somehow something like this. So I'm gonna use the same first blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend it lightly out. So now that kind of blended out, I'm just gonna use another color, which is a little bit darker red. I'm gonna take the same packing brush, and I'm gonna use this dark red shade, like a more like maroon shade, but I'm just gonna use it to find the crease. The same color that I took on this flat side brush, I'm gonna take it on this fluffy side of the brush, very lightly, so I can blend everything together. I'm gonna just try and darken this look a little bit, so I'm just gonna take a dark brown shade, this dark shade of brown, So now, just gonna take it again, the Too Faced concealer, and I'm gonna take a little bit on my hand. On a flat side, flat brush, I'm gonna saturate the brush. Start with the inner corner and then go out. Basically, I'm winging it. And by the way, if you have really hooded eyes, you don't want to go so much above because you already don't have that much space between like your eyebrows and your lids. When you're finished, just coat the whole eyelid. Here we go. This is a cut crease, you can see. So now on my finger, I'm gonna go with Barb, which is this color. This color. I didn't set my crease or anything, so I'm just gonna go directly above. So welcome back, guys. I just did a little bit of like winged eyeliner, like you can see it like here. A little bit of highlighter in my inner corner, but that's it. And just added lashes and mascara. So now I'm just gonna move on to the lower part of my eyes. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna dip in the same color that I did first in my crease. I'm gonna put it in my outer corner, so like lower outer corner. So now I'm gonna take this color to the middle, so just blend that red a little bit. So now I'm gonna use the Fenty bronzer like usual. I'm just gonna warm up my cheeks a little bit, and then I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of blush and then highlight. So now I'm gonna contour my nose. And now I'm gonna use a little bit of blush using the Wet n Wild on a blush brush, I guess. Now I'm gonna use this High Class NYX highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my fingers. So. Now to the fun part, lips. Chose my lipstick and I guess I'm gonna go with Colourpop in Arriba. I'm gonna use this Essence Hours lip liner to line my lips. So this is the finished look. As you can see, I think the red goes very well with this eye color. Like we have the red up in the crease and we have this red, and I think it all comes all together. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope it had some information for you out there who has hooded eyes. Don't be afraid. Just experiment, and then with time you're gonna get it. It's so easy. Thank you so much for watching. I thank everyone who is supporting me, like my mom, my sister, my aunt, and my cousins, and everyone, and anyone who's watching this video. Thank you for supporting me. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and ring the bell button so you don't miss any videos of mine. Bye! Stay safe. Wear masks. I'm just gonna I probably should do my eyebrows first, right? Oh shit, the potato's gonna die. Gonna warm up. See, this side looks so much better. Just gonna take my my damp beauty sponge. The lips. Oh no, I forgot.